your English teacher. I'm going to speak about a motivation class in the 10th class first lesson, that is personality development. Personality development is not physically, we just develop our motivation from getting from others, how to getting inspired from others. This is what the personality development is, the chapter. The lesson name is Attitude is Altitude. Attitude means how we think, in what way we think about some action. Okay, altitude is the position what we held in the life. So with the effect of our attitude, we reach some positions in the life. That is maybe if you think very positively, we reach a good position. If you think very negatively, the position which you held in the future is very bad. So that the way of thinking, how you think about your future, the action what we do is a limit to reach your goal, that is altitude. So altitude means generally height, a certain height or a position. So that if you think very positive, for example, we have the character Nick Vujicic in this lesson. Generally, he is a torso. So the lesson who already read about him, they might get to know about his condition of the physical stature, that is torso. Torso means having no legs and arms. Okay. Generally, imagine yourself when you get some itch on your hand. Generally, you take the help of other hand and you itch it yourself. So if you want to go from a point A to from point B, you just walk with your legs. So with the help of your legs, you reach from one place to another place. This is what we walk, we do things with the help of our legs and arms. So that this character, Nick Vujicic, the hero of the lesson, has no legs and arms. So that this is called a rare occurrence torso, that is named as phocomelia. The doctors named it as phocomelia because generally people born with all perfect body. So this particular candidate has no legs and arms, so that he is called as torso. Torso means from our shoulders to the waist. Waist means tummy, not so that this part of the body is called torso. So the doctors named the disease as phocomelia. Generally, this is not an effect to any people. Very rare occurrence, that is phocomelia. Okay, he is very interested in motivation, to motivate others. When he was born, initially his mother was a nurse. While she was pregnant, she did everything very right. Because as a nurse, she knows everything what to do at the time as per the diagnosis by the doctor. So that she took everything in a right manner, even though she took everything very precautionable. She got this type of son, that is phocomelia, named as the disease by the doctors, and her mother blamed herself for giving this type of body to her son. And his father also got to vomit, and he left the room immediately from that place to get the vomit. Okay, her mother, even though generally mother never makes any mistake to receive her son or daughter after the delivery, but this particular mother who gave the birth to a torso could not take her baby into the hands immediately. She took minimum some days to take the body of this particular person into her lap. This is what the effect of this torso. Okay. Now, the hero of the lesson is Nick Vujicic. He is a torso. Even though we are very physically fit, we are sometimes lazy to do something. But this particular person likes very much like football, golf. He likes also swimming, and he knows how to surf. He likes football. He is a big fan of English Premier League. Football is the main game in England country, so that he is a very big fan of it. And he very well plays golf also. He likes swimming and surfing. Surfing game is to make dangerous feat on the waves of the sea. So it is also generally it is a very dangerous game. People who are the players of surfing generally get very dangerous feats on it, and but this particular person who is a torso already can play surfing very much interesting, and he is very brave in this game also. Okay, now at the age of 18 months only, just at the age of 18 months, his father left him in the bathtub to learn him how to swim. And from there onwards, he wanted to learn everything very proportionally in a positive manner for his life. To lead his life, he started thinking in a positive manner, so that from this age he always wants to learn something. Okay, and his mother invented a plastic device to hold a pen or a pencil to write something, and he has a part on his body, that is, he calls it as chicken drumstick. This is an undeveloped leg. At his right hip, he has generally we have two legs at our hips, right hip, left hip, so that we can walk with our legs. This is an undeveloped leg which he has on his right hip, so that he calls it very in a joking manner, chicken drumstick. He has 2 or 3 toes on his undeveloped leg, which he calls as chicken drumstick. With the help of those toes, he is able to hold a pen or a pencil, so that he can write something, he can draw something with the help of his chicken drumstick. He jokes on himself. This is called a chicken drumstick. Okay. With the help of this, he can do something, and he has very capable persons with him to lead his life. That is, with the help of some carers about him, he always leads his life. So initially, right from his birth, his parents helped him a lot. Actually, his parents initially wanted him to join in a mainstream school. Mainstream school means general school, a high school or a board school. But this type of persons who are physically disabled have separate schools for them. That is a special school. But the parents of him never wanted to join him in a special school, because when he was joined in a mainstream school, that is general school, what we study generally, he can improve himself very physically and mentally, so that his future will be available for him in a positive manner, so that they think about his life, that he can lead his life in a positive manner, so that he can lead without any adversities. Adversities means a bad or unpleasant situation. So he has the special quality of perseverance. He has a special quality, that is perseverance. His parents were very much successful in improving a quality that is called as perseverance. Perseverance means the quality to try an action until he gets success in his trials. The quality of trying many times to achieve something, that is called perseverance. So this type of perseverance, the manner, they just wanted to build his mind, so that he built himself as a perseverance candidate. That means he always wants to try himself to achieve something, which never he wants to stop here. One time if he gets the failure, he wants to try another time, and he wants to another time. He says, Last of the lesson, generally he says, if I fail, I try again, again and again. If you fail in your life at any time, do you want to make it again? The action, do you want to make it again? How many times will you try? First time, second time, third time. Till you get the success. Try yourself till you get the success. This is what the motto he gives to us. Okay.